everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Audi S8 is a masterpiece of engineering, blending luxury, technology, and power into a stunning package. This high-performance sedan is designed for those who crave speed without compromising on comfort. With cutting-edge technology, a powerful V8 engine, and an ultra-luxurious interior, the 2025 S8 is a true competitor in the world of executive sedans. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the design, performance, technology, and features that make the 2025 Audi S8 one of the best luxury sports sedans on the market. Exterior design, a bold and aggressive look. The 2025 Audi S8 commands attention with its sleek and aggressive styling. Audi has made subtle yet impactful changes to its design, making it look even more refined and sporty. The signature single-frame grille is now larger and more prominent, flanked by sleek, HD matrix LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. The sculpted body lines, wider stance, and sporty bumpers give the S8 a commanding presence on the road. Audi has also introduced new 21-inch alloy wheels and a selection of premium paint finishes, including an exclusive Mythos black and Tango red metallic. At the rear, the OLED tail lights with dynamic animations add a futuristic touch, while the quad exhaust system reminds you that this is a true performance sedan. The S8 badging and subtle carbon fiber elements complete the aggressive yet elegant look. Power and performance, a twin-turbo V8 beast. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi S8 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing an impressive 571 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission, delivering smooth and lightning-fast gear shifts. Thanks to Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S8 provides exceptional grip and handling, even in challenging road conditions. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint takes just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans in its class. The adaptive air suspension and predictive active suspension system make every ride smooth and comfortable, adjusting to road conditions in real time. Audi has also fine-tuned the steering and chassis dynamics, ensuring that the S8 delivers a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. Interior, luxury meets innovation. Step inside, and you are greeted by an ultra-luxurious cabin, featuring premium materials, advanced technology, and exceptional craftsmanship. The interior is wrapped in Valcana leather with contrast stitching, while carbon fiber and aluminum trim elements add a sporty feel. The front seats are ventilated, heated, and come with massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort during long drives. The rear seats are equally impressive, offering ample legroom, reclining functions, and even an available rear entertainment package for ultimate relaxation. Audi S Virtual Cockpit Plus, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, provides a customizable display with crisp graphics. The center console houses a dual touchscreen MMI infotainment system, with haptic feedback, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system for an immersive audio experience. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced climate control further enhance the luxurious feel of the cabin. Technology and safety, intelligent and connected. The 2025 Audi S8 is packed with advanced driver assistance features and cutting-edge technology. The Audi AI Traffic Jam Pilot enables semi-autonomous driving in certain conditions, while the 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring ensure maximum safety. The heads-up display HUD projects vital driving information onto the windshield, reducing distractions. Audi's predictive navigation system and voice-controlled assistant make driving more intuitive than ever. The remote parking assist and self-parking capabilities allow you to park the S8 effortlessly, even in tight spaces. Conclusion: the perfect blend of power and luxury. The 2025 Audi S8 is a sedan that delivers unparalleled performance, advanced technology, and top-tier luxury. Whether you're looking for a comfortable cruiser for long drives or a high-performance machine for thrilling acceleration, the S8 delivers on all fronts. With its breathtaking design, powerful twin-turbo V8, and cutting-edge features, the 2025 Audi S8 is a statement of prestige and performance. Would you choose the 2025 Audi S8 over its competitors like the Mercedes-AMG S63 or BMW M760e? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing car content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore another exciting luxury car.